Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best blender brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is NutriBullet High-Speed Blender. NutriBullet NBR-1201 is a high-speed blender and mixer at the same time, and has got a capacity of up to 24 ounces. Additionally, it comes with 2 cups with 18 ounces and 24 ounces of capacity. The motor of this blender consumes 600 watts of power that crushes the ice smoothly within seconds with the high-speed sharp blades. This NutriBullet NBR-1201 is designed in North American, and according to the Canadian electrical standards, it has a compact, simple, sleek, and intuitive design. It isn't ultra easy to operate. You just need to add the ingredients in the container and push the button and get the blended ingredients evenly and quickly. Moreover, the material used in the construction is plastic and BPA-Free. It comes with a cup that has a handle to hold it comfortably. The package contains a motor base, extractor blade, 2 cups with different capacities, handles cup, cup ring with handle, lid, cup ring, milling blade, and recipe book. A user-friendly design provides you with the ease of cleaning. Simply rotate the blade and clean it with cleaner and rinse with lukewarm water. At the same time, the cups are dishwasher safe. Number 2. Our second best pick is Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. The capacity of the Hamilton Beach Personal Blender is 14 ounces. This personal blender is perfect for crushing ice, as well as it is ideal for smoothies, baby formula, salad dressing, marinades, shakes, icy drinks, and much more. It makes the delicious icy drinks and smoothies quickly with full of nutrients. It consumes 175 watts of power and crushes the ingredients quickly. Sleek and compact design with the cord storage that offers easy to store the blender. This compact design personal blender is suitable for the home and office. Moreover, high-quality plastic is used in the construction. It has a user-friendly design. Add your ingredients in the container and press the button. Furthermore, it is easy to clean as it is dishwasher safe and also clean by hands within seconds. Use the non-abrasive cleanser, rub it gently, and rinse with the lukewarm water. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ninja Nutri Pro BL456 Compact Personal Blender. Ninja Nutri Pro comes with 2 different sizes of containers, 18 ounces and 24 ounces. It crushes the ice very well and also best for preparing smoothies, seeds, skin, and stems as well. The sharp blades provide even grinding and make your ingredients smooth and consistent. Furthermore, it gives you the nutrition full along with the vitamin extraction crushing. The motor of the Ninja Nutri Pro consumes 900 watts of power that makes it a powerful unit and crushes the ice, seed, vegetables, and hard ingredients effectively without losing any nutrients. This personal blender comes with a smart design that is easy to store and occupies a little space in the cabinet. The blender is made of plastic, and it is BPA-free. Moreover, the jar comes with a lid so you can easily carry your smoothies with you. Ninja Nutri Pro is portable. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Bella Personal Size Rocket Blender. The capacity of this Bella's blending jar is 21.6 ounces. It is a 12-piece rocket blender that is perfect for crushing the ice as well as suitable for grinding the spices, nuts, seeds, whole coffee beans, and preparing delicious smoothies, salsa, sauces, and much more. Moreover, it is an ultra easy to operate. You can do all the crushing, grinding, and blending with just the push of one button and get your ingredients evenly crushed within a few seconds. The motor power is 700 watts that crush the ice and hard ingredients quickly. Moreover, it is equipped with powerful stainless steel blades that make it a more powerful blender. The base of the Bella Rocket Blender is made of stainless steel that provides durability and long-lasting. The containers are comprised of high-quality plastic that is BPA-free and safe to use. For the consumer's ease, it provides you with a hassle-free cleanup as all the jars are dishwasher safe. Moreover, if you want to clean it by yourself, it is also easy. Apply soap, rub it gently, and rinse it with lukewarm water. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Cuisinart CPB 300 Blender. Cuisinart CPB 300 has got a capacity of 32 ounces of the blending container, the capacity of the chopping cup is 8 ounces, and 16 ounces of the travel cup. The blending container has a unique and durable design that is perfect for crushing requirements. The chopping cup comes with a lid that allows you to chop, grid, or whip your ingredients. It is equipped with 2 super quality blades that are powerful enough to crush the ice as well as perform grinding, chopping, and blending tasks effectively, evenly, and smoothly. In addition to this, the blades are self-aligning, and you don't need to put effort to place the containers on the jar. To make it more versatile, the blade assemblies are switchable so that you can get the desirable results. It has got a touchpad control panel along with the LED indicator lights. The control panel is easily readable and has a bright blue LED light that shows clearly which speed is operating. The cord storage makes it more compact and easy to store. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.